everyone, today I'll be making the iconic Hmong Greens. So it's pretty much pork bones, pork meat, any part of the pork boiled with greens, and we add salt and we just boil it in water and make it soup, and we just eat it with rice and pepper. This is pretty much eaten in any Hmong family or when they do like Hmong family events. So I'll show you guys how to make a simple one that you guys can eat at home. And I know a lot of people have different recipes, but this is just a recipe that we use at home and we make at home. I'm excited to show you guys a little bit part of the Hmong traditional Hmong food. I'm filming outside today, so it's gonna be a little loud, so bear with me. So let's go. I'm excited. Let's go! Okay, so in this pot, in this lakao, I have water boiling already. So it's about like 3 quarts of water in there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add it in. Pork bones, pork belly, pork tenderloin, any pork that you guys like. I prefer to have bones. If you guys have any bones are really flavorful for the broth. And then I also have like pork belly. I like pork belly in there too, with the skin. Oh, it's so good with pepper. And we'll just go ahead and gonna add it to the water. Oh, also in the pork bones I added a little bit of a salt just to season it and marinate it for about like 30 minutes, so let it sit. And yeah, so we're gonna put that in the water here. Just gonna stir it, and I'm just gonna cover it. So I'm gonna boil it for about 30 minutes or until the pork bones, some of the meat are tender. And yeah, we'll come back. Okay, so it's been boiling for about 15 minutes. I'm just gonna skim off any of the dirty scum up here and any of the excess fat. Sorry it's so loud outside. Okay, so I have another pot here with the strainer to strain all the other unwanted stuff. So we're just gonna strain this. So all of this, you guys can strain it. You don't want it, go for it. But usually, initially, if you go to the Hmong parties, they usually don't strain it. It's just all in one pot. Since I'm using bones, that's why I have a lot of those bloody boiled clots in there. So we'll just add in the pork back in. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt into the pork. So this is about a tablespoon of salt. You can adjust to it as you go. So we like to add some ginger in here as well. So this is about like, I don't know, like 1.5 inches, about 3 or 4 of those pieces cut thinly. It works. And we're just gonna add it in there to not make the broth so porky, smelly, you know. Some people add like toka, which is lemongrass. Some people add ginger, some people add, I don't know, what else do you guys add? Leave a comment down below, tell me what you guys add to not make it so porky, smelly. Okay, I'm just gonna stir that. Okay, I'm just gonna try it before I add in the greens. You wanna try your liquids first, or else if you add in your greens and you boil it and you keep boiling and add salt and season, keep seasoning it, your greens are all gonna be mushy. Okay, so I have my zhongzhou right here, a lot of it actually. This is about, I think, a pound of zhongzhou from the garden. And if you guys don't have zhongzhou, like Hmong style zhongzhou, go ahead and buy like those mustard greens from the Asian market. This is what it looks like, and what I'm gonna do is just gonna break this into thirds, just like that. Yeah, with your hands. And then in the pot, we're just gonna add it. I'm just gonna stir it in. And just boil it until the stem of the green is soft, but don't overboil it or else your greens are going to be mushy. Okay, let that boil. Let that boil. Let that boil. And no shallow. Boom, boom. You have your greens. You get your pork belly.